Hello, my name is Amanda Kukoyi and I'm a fashion design student. I'm here to present my project to you. I hope you enjoy. Thank you. My project topic is resisting technological production as a fashion design practice. This simply means resisting the use of technology in fashion. Technology in fashion includes things like what we use to make garments, like technology in fashion is used in manufacturing, production, and almost every aspect of fashion nowadays. Okay, just to give you more understanding of the project. Okay, so I was asked to choose a garment, deconstruct and reconstruct this garment into something new. Then my new garment should have a theme that either supports the use of technology in fashion or goes against the use of technology in fashion. Okay, so I'm just going to give you a brief history on upcycling. Okay, upcycling goes way back to the 1900s. Okay, upcycling in the past had always been caused from due to economic situation happening during this time. For example, during the 1920s, during the depression, people started making clothes from flour sack because of economic hardship. Then, okay, fast forward to like during the World War, people started making during the World War, things were hard, things were tight, and there was scarcity and there was also rationing. So people, especially brides, then started reconstructing this war parachute and making dresses, wedding dresses, and bridesmaid dresses into like from them. Okay, going to the 1980s and 1990s, there was a bit of recession in the early 19 nine this early, the early decade. So parents started handing down clothes to their children, and these children, because of the influence of the media, especially MTV based during this period, they started like making it into something nice. And so they take this clothes and upcycle it, maybe add rhinestone to it and make it like beautiful. Okay, up until 2000, upcycling and deconstructing and reconstruction had always been caused by economic hardship or situation. But from the 21st century, technology upcycling is now becoming like a necessity because of sustainability in the environment. Okay, thank you. So I'm just going to start presenting my project now. The fashion industry is the second largest contributor to pollution in the world. Because of this, be, okay, sorry about that. So the fashion industry is the second largest contributor to pollution in the world. And a lot of people believe that the use of technology in fashion is causing this, is making the fashion industry to contribute more to pollution in the world. But I'm of the view that it's actually not technology that contributes to pollution, but how technology is used. Okay? So I'm here to make people see that technology can be used positively in the fashion industry, and that technology is actually not the problem, that is lack of information, but because people are not informed, lack of information, and not using technology properly, that is actually the problem, not the technology itself. And I hope you enjoy my presentation. Okay, okay, so this is my chosen garment. So I chose a shirt and a denim, old shirt and denim, as you can see here, to make into something nice, as you can see. Okay, here I was just draping and generating nice ideas, just experimenting with different ideas. And here I was collaging and sketching and generating different ideas, as you can see here. And this is like the technical drawing. I decided to make this cute summer dress and a cute bag for each child, as you can see here. And this is the illustration, as you can see, just simply what I'm about to make. Okay, this is just the process of me deconstructing and reconstructing the garment, and reconstructing and deconstructing the garment and the bag, as you can see. And this is the final result. This is the final result, and you can see the dress here. The dress I sketched is quite different from this because I tried to make the ruffles longer, and I also decided not to use denim for this part. I decided to use a ribbon because I wanted it to be beautiful and funky. Yeah, thank you. And this is the jeans before, and this is the result of the jean, as you can see here. Okay, and this is the final result, and this is what it came out. It came out really nice, as you can see. This is the bag, this is the dress, and this is what it looks like. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. Now the question is, how does my design relate to the topic here? First of all, I made a video of myself upcycling and deconstructing and reconstructing, and which I'm going to upload on my YouTube. I feel by doing this, people will be able to watch my video and people will be able to learn how to upcycle and recycle their clothes. And this would help people to, instead of throwing old clothes away, hopefully like upcycle it into something new. And again, I made an hidden pocket here. I made a hidden pocket here, and this pocket can be used to put, you can put GPS tracking device inside. We all know that children go missing nowadays, and parents can track their children. And I made this cute bag that so that children can put tabs. You all know children of nowadays, they like watching tabs, so they can put their tabs and other treats here for their parents. And I hope with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you that technology actually can be used positively in the fashion industry. Do you have any questions for me?
So yeah, that was a really beautiful presentation, definitely well designed. I was wondering if you had any challenges while you were coming up with this project.
Okay, yeah, I actually had like a few difficulty because this is actually my first upcycling project. I had to source for clothes, and before I decided to use this shirt, it was quite difficult for me to make up my mind, and it was challenging because it was quite new, but I was able to like overcome it. And also like I decided to make this summer dress because everybody knows it's summer and it's hot, and it fits the theme, it fits the weather, and also that's the difficulty I made here.
Yeah, that's
I
really good.
encountered. Thank you. Do you have any question?
Yes, very, very insightful presentation. Well delivered. Thank you
Thank
so,
you.
so much. My question is I'm just really admiring your design, and I was
Thank you.
wondering, was there an inspiration behind your design, really?
Oh yes. Okay, so I decided to go for a child's dress because we all know that children outgrow their clothes easily, and we know children like 6 months, 7 months on like adults. So I decided to like make something. I decided to make a child's clothes because I feel like it's easy to actually turn an adult clothes into a child's clothes, and I feel that children actually need more clothes than adults. So if we check our wardrobe and we upcycle and make our old clothes into something nice for our children, it's instead of it going to the landfill, it actually kind of saves the amount of waste that actually goes into the landfill. And that's why I decided to go with the child and summer theme.
Wow, thank
Yeah,
you
that's
very
really
much.
good.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for your time. I'm glad you enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.